How to add location asset on your Google Ads. Alright guys, so what we need you to go ahead and do first is to go on over on ads.google.com and then log on to your preferred account. But once you're already on the preferred accounts that you would like to use, go ahead and tap on the Ads and Assets section in the left-hand sidebar. Once you're there, go ahead and select Assets from the drop-down and then click on the plus button to choose the location. Okay, so once you're already on the location section, you can actually now choose your preferred location from that, and I want you to go on over to the business, or rather the Google Business Profile. To show your location in your ads, you do need to connect your Google Business Profile to this. So select Link to a Business Profile, and then search for your business name or enter your business profile email. Send the request or link it instantly if it's under the same account. Now, if you're basically using, or rather managing multiple locations, you could also filter by label or by location group. Next, you do need to add this to your campaign, so just choose your preferred campaign that you'd like to go ahead and add that location to, and then tap on Done. What this actually does is it shows your business address, maps, and your call button appear alongside your text ad. Now, this is basically useful for local search visibility. Now, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.